Welcome to Kodie TVGH, and I am Lina. These are some of the news headlines. Firstly, the Lordina Mahama urges global unity for child protection. NDC Rex division. If thank you tours are not managed, done. I'll re-energize NPP for victory, says Baumia. Former NDC MP criticizes Asiedun Ketia's thank you tour. SHS students must use harmonized prospectus. Freshers to report to school on October 18th by the GES. T-bills auction oversubscribed by 14%. Seidu Agongo's firm in spotlight over alleged illegal star 859 # online lottery scheme. A Black West foreign policy, a shameful betrayal of Ghana. First Lady calls for stronger collaboration to build world peace. Fuel trade poised for major boost. MPA plans second bid to speed supply. Supports Galamsey fight. Government rallies Muslims. Mobile money consolidates grabs on payment fee. Bets 2.76 trillion at end of August. Nana Japs Mahama over poor performance. Bryant's bold cocoa move. Kofo wants MPP. Intra-party rivalry can cost 2028 victory. Time to stand up and fight for our rights. MPP Young Wang set up for demonstrating against alleged state-sponsored harassment today. Fair electricity pricing crucial to industry. AGR. This is Kodie TV and I am Lina. Please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you.